Hello, I'm Dylan, the product manager for Dekoni Audio and Earpads.com. I've designed all the products you know and love, and today we're going to go over an Earpads buying guide. We have two different websites, Earpads.com with a Z and DekoniAudio.com. Earpads is our consumer-grade line of earpads for things like Skullcandy, Bose, Beats, Audio-Technica, and Sony, as well as some Sennheiser headphones. You can find our economical solutions to these headphones available there. Starting off, we have our Velour and Standard line. These are affordable options for earpads that just need to be replaced from being worn down or ripped. Our Velour series uses a polyester velour and regular foam, and our Standard series uses a protein leather and regular foam. Moving on, we have our Jerzee and Midnight material, which uses medium density memory foam, which will hug your head and work well with eyeglasses. Our Jerzee line uses a soccer jersey material, which will wick sweat and vent heat very well. Keep in mind, the jersey material will not isolate well and will vent some low frequency content from your headphones. This makes it a good option for replacing earpads that are already a fabric material. The next material, Midnight, uses an eggshell protein leather with our medium density memory foam. This is good for people who want to isolate and don't have a problem with hot ears. It also keeps low frequency content in, so you can have a little bit more oomph in your mix. At the top of Earpads.com, we have our Platinum series, which also uses our premium eggshell protein leather, as well as high density memory foam. So if you want a little bit more of a hug with your headphones, this is it. If you don't know which earpad to choose, use the search bar at the top of the page on Earpads.com. It'll give you the relevant models for your headphones. If you can't find your headphone model listed on our website, or aren't certain if our pads will fit, use our contact form and we'll help you out. Moving on to DekoniAudio.com, we have earpads for all your favorite audiophile, professional, gaming, and popular headphones circling the market. We have the Elite line, which includes Elite Velour, Elite Hybrid, Elite Fenestrated, and Elite Sheepskin. The entire Elite line uses high-density memory foam and is heat-activated so you can ensure comfort for long listening sessions. Starting with Elite Velour, we use a higher thread count polyester material. This allows us to maintain the low frequency content and maintain the clarity of the high frequencies. The next in the lineup is the Elite Sheepskin. The Elite Sheepskin uses a high quality, rugged lambskin, which feels great on your face. Because of the sealed nature of the material, it offers enhanced isolation as well as bass content. If enhanced bass content is not your thing, but you still like the ruggedness of sheepskin, try our Fenestrated sheepskin line. Fenestration means perforations, so we add holes by punching them into the sheepskin material. This allows for a more neutral sound signature, so there's not an overemphasis on the bass content. The Elite Hybrid offers the previous three materials in one package. We find this to be the most neutral sounding earpad when we apply it to most headphones. Also available on DekoniAudio.com is our Choice lineup of earpads. This includes Choice Leather, Choice Suede, and Choice Hybrid. The reason why we have these earpads is that they're a vegan alternative. Made of polyurethane, they mimic leather and suede for a nice feel. This line also uses high-density heat-activated memory foam so you can feel comfort all day. Just like real leather and suede, Choice Leather and Choice Suede are two sides of the same coin. We find the sound signature of these materials to be very deep, so if you're a bass head, this might be a great option for you. Another interesting line that we offer at Dekoni Audio is our limited edition earpads. Limited edition earpads are limited run, special materials that we do for specific models. Previous in our limited edition line, we've had pads for the Focal Stelia and flannel pads for the Beyerdynamic DT series. Lastly, we have our new Dekoni custom line. Here you'll find pads with different material combinations, foams, and even more. Okay, now that we've gone over all the different materials and different options you can get for your headphones, how do you find the right earpads for you? We have this nifty tool in the top right corner called Find Your Pads. You can put in the brand and the model of your headphone, and all the earpads available to you will come up. This makes it easy to choose which one's right for you. If you're looking for a specific sound signature for your earpads, we have product measurements available on all of our product pages. If you're having trouble finding the right earpads for your headphones, you can always use the contact page and give us the dimensions of your headphones. We can always use the dimensions that you give us to find the right earpads for your cans. If you're ever dissatisfied with the quality or sound signature of your earpads, don't fret, we have a 30-day return or exchange policy. If you're ever struggling to figure out how to change your earpads, we have a YouTube channel called Dekoni Audio, which offers installation videos on all different types of headphones. This will help you get through the process of changing your earpads. If you're ever wondering which earpads I would choose, I usually go with the Elite Hybrid. The high-density memory foam feels good with my glasses, and it offers usually a neutral sound signature, which is great for most headphones. However, everybody has different ears, so take that with a grain of salt. You can always find resources on YouTube or HeadFi where reviewers take the time to test our earpads and give their opinions. If you're interested in the opinions of others, we had DMS come down and do a video on Beyerdynamic DT pad swapping, as well as HD600 pad swapping. He's a popular headphone reviewer in the YouTube space. If you're interested in watching those videos, take a look down below in the description. Alright guys, I hope you found that video informative. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about choosing the right earpads for you. You don't have to settle for stock, there's a lot of options out there. If you're interested in upgrading your stock earpads, remember we have Earpads.com, which includes our Standard, Jerzee, Midnight, and Platinum lines, as well as DekoniAudio.com for our audiophile favorites, including Elite, Choice, Limited, and our new custom series. If you found this video helpful, like down below, leave a comment if you have a question, and subscribe for more video content from Dekoni Audio. For all your headphone accessory needs, head on over to DekoniAudio.com. Thanks for watching.